Welcome to my learning center. This is Mansoor Suhail with the podcast 4 Proven Ways Accounting Firms Can Benefit from Online Bookkeeping. It has been a tedious job for accounting firms in charge of bookkeeping. To maintain good accounting processing, it will need many hours of tiresome work. Because such a work demands a great deal of patience, bookkeeping can also be costly to business owners. Several businesses have previously attempted to train accountants to be better at their jobs. The negative is that the requested wage is far too high for the organizations to continue employing them. In the case of small firms, engaging multiple efficient employees to form a skilled bookkeeping team is a great substitute that fits the budget nicely. Employees of bookkeeping have forced outsourcing by charging exorbitant fees to businesses. These businesses have devised a plan to outsource all or part of their work to an outsourcing firm. And the advantages have grown in size. Different parts of their firms were given equal time and had the potential to expand. Aside from that, accounting online can save a corporation or business owner a lot of time that would otherwise be lost if they were still looking for professional bookkeeping businesses. Even small firms will acknowledge how online bookkeeping has spared them from mountains of paperwork and lengthy hours of searching for the correct documents when the IRS is on the loose to badger them about past owing taxes. The following are some of the advantages of using online bookkeeping. Number 1. Effective in terms of cost. Being able to practice online bookkeeping can save a lot of money and reduce the cost of training a complete team of bookkeepers for accounting firms. Hiring an accountant is difficult enough, but hiring multiple accountants may be extremely costly, not just in terms of training, but also in terms of financial problems. It would be very beneficial to the organization if the budget included fewer business capital expenditures. Money saved will allow you to invest in other areas that are similarly important to your business, so increasing your chances of success. Number 2, efficiency has increased. If a firm employee is unable to deal in an emergency, the most likely cause is work overload. And when coping is no longer an option, the entire project is doomed to fail. As a result, accounting firms choose to outsource it to the companies that are willing to participate. Furthermore, it is safer, and outsourcing companies place a high value on professionalism. Many accounting firms have transaction management software. Number 3, shifting of maintenance. Small businesses do not need to be concerned about their bookkeeping issues. They have already spent a lot of money on a lot of things, and bookkeeping should be the last thing on their minds. Outsourced bookkeeping firms are like a breath of fresh air for them. Consider how delegating large amounts of paperwork to others can save you a lot of worry and time, while also allowing business owners to operate more efficiently. Worries will be removed and core thinking will be improved. As a result, maintenance is reduced from multiple to just one efficient method. Number 4, save a lot. Why should a firm overlook the potential to save money on training, maintenance, and stationery costs while developing a very profitable business with all the advantages? It only goes to show that online bookkeeping is beneficial to every business, no matter how little. Thank you for listening, folks. Visit us at https:// my-learning- saner.teachable.com for quality ebooks, audiobooks, and HD video courses. Join our Facebook group, My Learning Center, and subscribe to our channel, My Learning Center, on YouTube.